Welcome to Novacomp, where our journey has been shaped by over 25 years of experience in managing and operating the IBM iSeries operating system, also known as AS400. Since our inception, we have built a team of over 200 highly qualified professionals in various banking and accounting applications, providing software maintenance and development in languages such as RPG and COBOL. We serve more than 20 clients across Latin America in key industries like banking, insurance, and telecommunications. Our expert consultants have led multiple successful projects on iSeries platforms, demonstrating our ability to tackle and overcome significant challenges. Therefore, we would like to share some of our success stories with AS400. One of our major achievements was the data migration and system unification for an expanding bank in Central America. This 2-year project allowed us to integrate information, services, and processes from an acquired bank, strengthening regional operations and ensuring service continuity for its clients. We also automated the integration of financial information for a client with operations in multiple countries. Over 18 months, we implemented XML services that unified reports and facilitated corporate decision-making, making it a pioneer in banking technology integration architecture. Our expert consultants have led multiple projects for optimizing credit lines. For one of our banking clients, we enhanced real-time transaction validation. This improvement allowed better control and restriction of credit lines, minimizing misuse and preventing overdrafts. Additionally, we modernized the chargeback platform for credit and debit cards for a regional client. In collaboration with interdisciplinary teams, we achieved efficient integration and more agile communication between the bank and the card-issuing brands. At Novacomp, our commitment to innovation is unwavering. This is what sets us apart. Over 25 years of experience. We offer a diversified range of environments and services under iSeries. We have highly specialized teams, expertise in agile frameworks, and cutting-edge technology. We have a robust organizational structure that ensures information security, continuous training, performance metrics, and quality service. Moreover, our specialists are not just developers. They are consultants who understand client needs and accompany them throughout the value delivery process. All of this is made possible by the continuous training of our employees through our corporate university NovaU and the implementation of advanced practices like DevOps. This is how we guarantee continuous efficiency and modernization for our clients. Your success is our mission, which is why Novacomp is your best choice for the development, maintenance, and support of IBM iSeries platforms. Join us and be part of the technological revolution.